My name's Nieve. I'm an Apprentice Site Supervisor. I work for M Group Highways and I study at Anglia Ruskin University. Before my apprenticeship, I was working full-time at Costa. I chose to do the apprenticeship route because it's the best way to complete education while still getting paid, and it gives me the opportunities to go on my holidays that I enjoy and to be able to save at the same time. As a site supervisor apprentice, I make sure that all the operatives are safe. I send them out with their daily briefings and just run through all the jobs that they're meant to be doing for that day. I work in highways, so it's mainly potholes, fencing, signs, posts. I also go out and do some audits, so this just makes sure that they're working safely, what they're doing is correct, and I think that's about all. I didn't actually know anything when I was first coming in. I just really enjoyed the fact that it's all hands-on and it's all getting involved, and I can see a massive improvement in myself. My confidence, speaking to members of public when they have any issues, I'm able to put my views forward and I'm able to help and advise them. I've gained skills on working individually and just getting on with the work, as well as working as a team. I'd definitely be able to use all these skills anywhere in my life. When I first started, I did think that, am I going to be the only female in the office? But it really doesn't matter. All the guys are really lovely. Everyone treats each other the same. A lot more people are going into the construction industry and a lot more people are doing male-dominated, typically, roles. So it is a really good opportunity. Ross is my area manager. He's also my line manager. So he's definitely there to support me, especially when it comes to my progress reviews. He has to be involved with the uni as well, so he's definitely showing up for me and he's definitely there for me. I'm really enjoying my apprenticeship. It's definitely what I want to do with my life. Seeing my grades come through and when they're really positive makes me feel really happy, and it definitely makes me more motivated to keep going. I really just can't believe how much I've learned from the start of my apprenticeship, from looking back and being an apprentice at M Group.